There's 6 mango trees have been cut down here for this giant. Went to my cousin's house and I got some coconut. Huh? Oh, yeah, this is my cousin. Right. This is my cousin Jelmy and Chicho, and that's her daughter.
Thank you, boy.
Okay, coconut. Also, I have some like orange, kind of like I put on my coconut. It's really good. This is why I like being here in the village, because you don't have to spend money to have something. So guys, I'm at the sort of like my cousin's house. This is why I love here. I love being in this village. It's because like you're just like, hey, can you make cake for me? And they make for me. This is like an Indonesian dessert. It's called panakop. Here we go. Oh wow. Flour with pandan. For the filling, it's basically a coconut and brown sugar. And look at their house. Their house is just next to the house is just next to the beach. If you in Europe or like in the US, it's impossible to just like randomly ask someone to make cake for you. And yesterday I walked to the beach and then I went back and just like stopped by in one of the house and just like, hey, is it possible for you to make cake? And she was like, yeah. And so I bought the ingredients and she made a cake for me. How amazing is that? So guys, I'm just gonna try one. The inside is basically a coconut with brown sugar, and the outside is basically like flour, and you mixed up with pandan leaf. It smells like pandan and also brown sugar too. Oh my god, it's like melting in your mouth. It's so soft. It's not like too sweet, which is good. That's the way I like it. The texture is just gooey and it's just good. I don't know if you guys ever tried this, but I tried this when I was in Netherlands. In Netherlands also they have this kind of thing, but it's most like for Indonesian restaurant. This one tastes way better. It's called dadar gulung, but here we call panakop. So I'm in my mom's farm. I'm gonna show you what the farms looks like here. We start off with carrots. My mom actually planted some carrots. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, there's actually a lot of carrots. I'm not sure if they survive, but it looks like they're gonna survive. Because look, that one is already sprout. And because she just planted this like 2 days ago, so it didn't show the sign yet. And over here we have, oh, I almost stepped on the tomatoes. Like tomatoes, they're still babies. Those are tomatoes. And this is pak choy. Yeah, a bunch of them. I'm not really sure what it is. Over here we have the tomatoes. This one is, it's only 2 of them, but like it's already makes some fruit. And this one and that one too. And then this is the sweet potatoes. There's like baby peanuts here. And what do you call these? Cassava, corn. We have like baby bananas also, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. And here we have another sweet potatoes. Oh, look, my mom built this for like shedding, for shedding, yeah, whatever. And then here we have sweet potatoes, and then this is like the peanuts. And I don't know if you guys have seen like peanuts before, but this is what peanuts it's on the ground. Coconut, and this is sweet potatoes. That's corn. Oh, look at this. This is like bok choy, but like huge. And tomato. Oh, I need to clean some of the disease, the dry leaf, so it's not spreading the disease. And that too. They're not making any fruit yet. These are the corn. Oh, wow. Look at this is the water spinach. This is a water spinach that my mom also grow. A chili, and some of them are hidden, the chilies. This is chilies, that chilies, and that also chilies. Like there are a bunch of chilies, this one too. There are a bunch of chilies and tomatoes are like in the corner, hidden. Need to clean those. So yeah, if you guys have any tips on how to basically take care of the crops, just let me know in the comment, because I might need to tell my mom, because she also needs that too. So continue. This is the chili. That's the corn. They're not ready yet. They still needs like a couple weeks to be ready. There's tomatoes. There's tomato. There's a bunch of tomato and chilies here, and peanuts. Need to clean that as well, because if you don't get rid of the disease part, how to say it, branch, it's gonna spread to the other branch. So, and there's another bok choy. Yeah, I think that's it. But my mom has something here. I don't really know what it is. Oh, I think that is chili. And what else? Okay, let's go over there. I think we have something over there. Oh, that's eggplant. This is eggplant, and that also eggplant. So this is what you call basil, and this is chili. Smells really good here because of the basil. This is also basil. Yeah. This is the lemongrass here. Oh, another tomatoes. They're not looking. And then we have gingers. These are all gingers. They're still young. Tomato, and then tomato, chili, tomato too. And then so many chilies here. And this is taro. And over here, we have small sections of peanuts. Small section here. Oh my god. Did the dog ate something? So my mom farms is over there, and it's close by this, next to this stream or river. I'll say this river because usually it's really high, but now it's really shallow. If you can see there, it's a bird nest. Oh, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, there's 5 of them. Honestly, it's so nice to be here. Oh, and look at the durian trees. I don't know if you can see it, but like there's like the fruit. And this is my mom's other farm. So yeah, she had a bunch of stuff here. And I don't know the name, so I'm just gonna show you like this. To be honest, guys, if you see like my mom's other farms, and like she had a lot of things, like from melon, watermelon to tomatoes and chilies and stuff, but it's really far from here, so I'll maybe show it to you another time. Ma wortel sana taruh di rumah bay. Wortel. Ew. Oh, what's that? It looks like dragon egg. It's from this tree. So this is what the inside looks like, and it smells actually pretty good, and it's also like it's really tender. I think you can eat this. I don't know if you can eat this, guys. Let me know in the comment. It looks like snack fruit, right? After checking out the farm, this is where I'm taking a shower. And so many rocks here. I usually pick up like random rocks here to scrub my feet, rub in your feet like this. And I'm surrounded by coconut trees and fruit trees and cacaos everywhere here. I'm actually planning to make some chocolate. I wish you guys are here with me. It's raining, guys. This is going to be my umbrella. Oh, sorry. So this is a neighbor house, and Mary is also coming with us. So yeah, today we are going for mango harvest. Actually, yesterday me and my cousin went for mango harvest, but well, we actually end up getting quite a bit of mango. Mine is like one bag, and also my cousin have another bag as well. Today, so I don't have motorbikes. I have to come here because my cousin had a motorbike, and we want to borrow the motorbike for that. So we're supposed to go this morning, but my cousin just got some fish just last night, and so they are making a fish right now. He's cooking a fish for everybody. Again. No, I'm making a video for my YouTube. So yeah, these are the traditional kitchen. And these are the ingredients. That's the fish. They only got the bones to cook because some of it they preserve. Some of it they're like okay to preserve because stay longer because they don't have fridge here. Pretty much like this in the village. Yeah, soon I'm also going to show you the mango trees and the mango harvest. So I'm really excited for that. We're not planning to cook, but my cousin just decided to cook for everybody. So also it's smoky. Yeah. So what are you cooking? Are you cooking fish? We call ikan woku, but like ikan woku is basically like bunch of ingredients, like fresh ingredient that mix up together. Any fresh ingredient that you can think of, that's going to be in this menu. So look at the fish, it's all the bone. When it comes to woku, it's really good when you cook the bones for some reason. Yeah, the bone, it's good. Yeah, so my cousin just opened the fire and then we start cooking.
What's chili baby?
Chili.
Yeah.
Yeah, chili and green onions. Oh yeah, that's chili. Yeah, so this is the chili. Oh, that's a lot of chili. I don't know if I can handle that. Also, I want to show you the cat. This one, they're like sitting next to each other because like the owner is sitting here. That's actually my aunt. She's sitting here and this like they're both like just sit next to each other as if like they are my auntie. The food is almost ready. It's really smoky, guys. Oh, this is my cousin, Rusty. Rusty, say hi. Say hi. Yeah, he's really shy. This is my cousin. We grew up together. We play a lot as well.
Yeah, the feeling's so right. Oh, the tide is turning. The day is brand new. Got a fire burning.
He couldn't say hi YouTube. Say hi YouTube. Okay, but look at this. Like,
Okay.
oh, it's ready. It's ready. Like, people here eat a lot of rice. People eat a lot of rice here. Like, it's insane. It looks scary, but I promise it's really good.
Kenapa nggak enak katanya?
Eat.
Ya.
Makan.
Aduh.
Think of guys, look how my cousin ate. It's like you cannot see the rice. Also, why he's eating like that? Like he's not sitting down, he's squat. But it's pretty like it's super normal here. So I'm just waiting on my cousin because he needs to watch the kids for some reason. So yeah, I'm hanging out in my room. Today is really hot. It's really good if you like go into the jungle. Well, it's not really jungle. It's nice to have some shades, like natural shades. I'm still with my boots. So we just arrived in the mango tree spot, and yeah, we just park a motorbike there, and then we walk up here to the hill, and this is the mango. That's the mango. Whew, it's really hot. Oh, look at the view. And they have this mango too. Unfortunately, we don't really get a lot down there, so I'm just gonna check here as well. But look at the view. Unfortunately, we didn't get a lot today, probably because before I was already picking all of them. But still, my brother get this. How many pieces is this? Quite a bit. And I'm just 3. Oh no. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's okay. Look at the view, guys. So, fun fact about this place. Actually, my cousin owned this place. It used to be here. There's like a lot of coconut and mango trees, and this is one of the mango that they cut down. My cousin gave that away to build this giant cross. Look at the weeds, it's so tall. Yeah, that's the cross that they built, and this is like concrete cross. And before I thought this is made of wood. It's not made of wood. This is concrete, full of concrete, this one. There's like many coconut trees here, but like he gives that all the way to build a giant cross. Can you imagine? Oh yeah, there's another mango tree. Ada di sini satu lagi ya. So there's like 1, 2. The mango trees are already cut down. It's like 1, 2, and there are a bunch of like coconut trees here before that we couldn't see it. And there's 3. Oh, jatuh. 3. There's mango full. And then 4 mango. 5, 6. There's 6 mango trees are being cut down here for this giant cross. So we're just gonna wait for the mango to fall from the trees, I guess. Yeah, so there are already a bunch of them are falling, but we're gonna collect that after. Just gonna chill for a while, waiting to get more mangoes that fall to the ground, and we can collect them later. So I just got home. From the mango harvest, and I'm gonna show you how many I got. Actually, this much. I think I'm gonna be making this an ice cream or juice. So this is my piggy. Her name is Luna. I don't really know how to kind of like make her not nervous every time I kind of like approach her. She's always like scared. See, she doesn't want to like be pet, but like she always come to me, but she doesn't want to be pet. I think I'm gonna put some bucket here so she can like swim, because I think she likes to swim as well. I just finished attending the wedding ceremony, but man, it's so loud. So my mom just got back from the farm and she brought some mangoes. So many fiber in this mango. There are different kind of mango. So it's like it's stuck on like in between on my teeth. It's really good. It tastes really good. And I'll show you what my mom brings. So there's like different kind of mango. There's 2. And then yeah, this one is different. And this one doesn't have fiber at all, but this one has so many fiber. So, yep. I already ate some of it. I'm gonna peel it and show you what the inside looks like. Like the green it is, more orange inside. So like when you have this light orange outside, the inside is also like orange. So not really like green. Also, you don't have to like, how to say it, like skinny. You don't have to like that. You just peel, like skin that shit. So there you go. I mean, the inside is more orange than the outside. And it doesn't have any fiber at all. But this one doesn't make you addicted. The other one that I just showed you earlier, that one can make you addicted because it's sweet, but it's not like heavy sweet. My chicken is like in the summer, and where this one is like chicken. Okay, so like there's a lot of mango here. My goodness. Look at that. Like a lot of kids are bringing mangoes as well. They go to school bringing mangoes instead of like food.
Ini kamera lah pecinta mangga, mangga cekalang, mangga dodol. Jadi yang berminat silakan kemari ya. Ini mangga cekalang.